good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking that out on the channel. Caspians, I'm back with another banger of a video for you guys. It's gonna be a short video though, because I don't have much time today to get everything recorded, but I gotta get this video out, man. Kaspa is still making moves to the upside. I was telling you guys on the live stream, now would be a nice time to buy the dip. That would be a nice time to buy that Kaspa dip when it was retracing back down. Let's take a look at trading view real quick so I could show you guys. It was retracing back down. I was like, man, now's the time to buy that Kaspa dip, and you see that huge move up right after, man. Huge move up to that 0.27 mark, just under it. But I'm telling you guys, this is just the start of what's to come, man. 10 BPS testnet is officially live, 10 blocks per second. I've used the Kaspa network, like sending from different wallets, sending from exchanges, etc., and it was so fast, right? So 10 BPS, the testnet is officially live. It is getting stress tested, and 6 months from now it should be going to mainnet 6 months from now, right? So with that update, guys, oh my goodness, what is the speed gonna be like for Kaspa? Is it gonna be like the Flash? You know how the Flash is, superheroes, how quick the Flash is, guys. I think Kaspa is gonna be faster than the Flash when 10 BPS goes live to mainnet, man. So yeah, we're seeing a nice breakout for Kas. If you're still fading it, man, I don't know what to tell you. M Quinta, I'm bullish on Kas. Stop shilling other crap projects in the Kaspa community chat, man, for CMC. Look at this, man. Look at this beer. Scam, run away. I need welch in 2021. Scam, run away. I need bigger bags. A project is bullish when somebody's funding the project just to buy more, so the price could go lower so they could buy more. Kas with the price and market cap of ADA, 51 cent. That is a 19.47x from here from AppSack. XDC. BlackRock can have BTC because we got Kas. Shout out to all the Caspians, man. Look at this nice bullish pennant. My gosh. From compare market cap, Kaspa was compared with the most with Cardano last week. If Kas reaches ADA's all-time high market cap, its price would be $4.75. That makes a 191x. You can compare Kaspa with over 3,500 coins at compare market cap. Even compare market cap is, giving attention to Kaspa, man. 13k views on this, guys. Crazy numbers, man. 191x. That $5 Kaspa. You think that's out of reach? Man. At first I was like $1, that's a good target, but people say no, $1 is FUD. We could see $3 to $5. And honestly, when you compare the technology of Kas to ADA, like, who even uses Cardano? No disrespect to the Cardano holders, but who uses Cardano, man? Cardano for me is so hard to use, guys. Like, I tried to go on, Cardano, set up wallets and stuff. It's so complicated, man. It is so complicated. Kaspa doesn't have smart contracts as yet, but like I said, what impressed me the most from Kas is the speed of Kas. Imagine when smart contracts go live, Imagine when smart contracts go live for Kaspa. It's gonna be crazy, I'm telling y'all. From Jim Skibum, someone just told me that this is the Jonathan effect. Can someone explain what is a Jonathan? I've never heard of it until today. This is all I could find about Jonathan. And look at this, man. What a jeez, look at the targets. Current situation, melt up to 15 cents. Next melt up will be to 50 cents for Kas. Yeah, guys, this is gonna be a crazy move. And I'm telling you, come the bull cycle, guys, man, this project is gonna melt people's minds, man. It's gonna melt faces, man. From Squatch, you could see Fractal still in play, on the way to 5 cent per Kaspa. 5 cent per Kaspa is on the way. Do not fade this project. From Mucho Bueno, to be fair, sub 3 cent Kas before 10 BPS was a fire sale of a deal. With 10 BPS mainnet on the horizon, it's basically armed robbery. Stack Kas. Trilemma, BPS greater than TPS. Kas sounds like a scam shitcoin. And then guess what? People talking about it, give them a thumbs up, and we go right back to talking about it. You're gonna get left behind, man. You're gonna be FOMOing in. From Moonshot Josh, this is why I believe as time grows, continues to progress, Kaspa will continue to only get stronger and stronger. Kaspa to consensus is what ARM was to microprocessors. ARM debunked that the prevailing belief that RISC architecture is obsolete and inferior to CISC. Capabilities and performance-wise, Kaspa debunks the prevailing myth that proof of work is obsolete and inferior to proof of stake, scalability-wise. From Jonathan Sampolinsky, man. Original dev of Cas, man. Original dev of Cas. And yeah, guys, I'm telling you, this is super bullish, man. Like, you know, we got big brains all around with this project. It's all big brains for this project. We're seeing the nice move to the upside. Again, thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, Caspians. Share this video, blow it up. And if you can, please join my Patreon. I personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier. Get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. Sign up to the Patreon, guys. I'm telling you, we're gonna have great plays on there all the time. And I appreciate any support y'all give. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you next time.